Getting your tongue to work efficiently is a really good idea right from the beginning of your playing, because correct placement of it means that you can strengthen that muscle and get it an awful lot faster and cleaner, so that you can frame your sound without interfering in the music that you're making. Let's find out how to do that. Okay, your tongue should never be seen or heard. In other words, the contacts of your tongue shouldn't be heard. So it's important that we don't tongue on the roof of our mouth or let our tongue come through our lips or through our teeth. We might use this for special effects as you get more advanced, but for the moment, just to get proper tongue placement, tip of your tongue on the cutting edge of your teeth. So to find out where the tip of your tongue is, you just need to say toffee, tea bag, tartan, and feel where that contact is there. If it's quite far back in your mouth, bearing in mind that all our mouths are different, try to bring it forward at least to the point where your tongue joins the roof of your mouth. If not, the back of your front teeth, or best of all, right on the cutting edge just behind your teeth as well. There. So if you can imagine, this is your teeth at the front, this is the roof of your mouth, and you're probably saying t about there. You want to just bring it forward a little bit and perhaps just there, but never through your teeth there. Let's put this onto your flute. You can either use just your head joint or you can use the flute as a whole and start with a really easy note. I would suggest that you play without your tongue to begin with, find your sound, and then let your tongue flick off the back of your teeth really quickly and then rest. We don't want to stop the end of the note with it. So like this. Remember to keep the ear moving all the time. If I was to stop the end of the note, it would sound like this. With younger players as well, they're always very tempted to take a quick breath in after they've tongued a note. So I would suggest that you do repeated notes. Just try two or three notes together. So that you get the sound continuous, the ear's travelling throughout, and we get a really smooth articulation. Once you feel comfortable with this action, try changing your notes. So you practice coordinating your fingers with exactly the moment that your tongue is making contact with your teeth. Remember, contact, rest, contact, rest. This will then strengthen and you'll be able to do more complex articulations and get your tonguing working a lot faster along with the coordination of your fingers.